Hey there, aspiring VAs. Welcome back to the Aspiring VA series where we're equipping you with the knowledge to conquer the virtual realm. I'm your girl Cranberry, your guide on this expedition, and today's episode is all about embracing the legal side of virtual assistants. Get ready to unravel the intricacies of navigating contracts and agreements, a compass that will steer you confidently through the legal aspects of being a virtual assistant superstar. Imagine your virtual journey as a voyage across uncharted waters. We're handing you a compass, the foundation of legal clarity. From client agreements to project scopes, we'll explore the importance of formalizing your partnerships and expectations to avoid confusion and protect your interests. Think of a contract as a map that outlines the terms and conditions of your working relationship. It clarifies project details, payment terms, deliverables, deadlines, and confidentiality agreements. Just as a compass guides sailors through uncertain seas, a well crafted contract ensures you navigate your virtual collaborations with confidence. Crafting client agreements isn't just a formality, it's a shield that safeguards your hard work. Let's delve into the key elements that make a client agreement comprehensive and ironclad. From scope of work to payment schedules, your agreement paints a clear picture of the project's scope and the expectations. So let's say you're providing social media management services. Your client agreement would detail the platforms you'll manage, the frequency of posts, reporting methods, and any additional services like ad management. By leaving no room for ambiguity, you're setting the stage for a successful collaboration. Intellectual property is your treasure trove, and protecting it is non negotiable. Let's talk clauses that address ownership of work, copyrights, and usage rights. Whether it's written content, graphics, or marketing strategies, learn how to retain your intellectual property rights. So, imagine you design a unique logo for a client. A well drafted agreement would outline that while the client owns the logo for their specific use, you retain the right to showcase it as part of your portfolio. This way, both parties benefit without compromising their interests. Transparency is your guiding star in the legal landscape. Ethical considerations like disclosing conflicts of interest, maintaining confidentiality, and handling client data responsibly are principles that not only build trust but also protect your professional reputation. If you're working with clients in the same industry, it's important to disclose any potential conflicts of interest. For instance, if you're managing social media for two competing businesses, transparency ensures trust and avoids misunderstandings. So, are you ready to navigate? Are you ready to navigate the legal waters with confidence? Remember to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more content, and tap the notification bell to ensure you're equipped for this crucial leg of your virtual journey. Aspiring VAs, navigating contracts and agreements isn't just about signing on the dotted line. It's about protecting your rights and setting the course for fruitful collaborations. Join me next time for episode 10, where we will unveil the secrets for scaling your VA business and growing your career. Until then, remember, a solid legal foundation is the anchor that keeps your virtual ship steady. Once again, I'm your girl Cranberry. Until next time, bye.